Hi student, today we are discussing about the chapter CBSE NCERT book class 9. The chapter name is Introduction to the philosophers called Euclid. This geometry, and it's about chapter 5. It has two exercises, exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Now, when we start with the Euclid's geometry, we have considered that in the early mathematics or in the starting of the mathematics, we mentioned some of the term which basically the obvious. What is the term is called? Obvious. Means obvious universal truth. Now the term is called obvious universal truth. This is the terms is called obvious universal truth. Now this obvious universal truth basically has the two parts. One is which is called axiom, and second term is postulate. So one is axiom and one is postulate. Now for geometry, it is for geometry the obvious universal truth is called postulate. And this is other parts of math. Clear? So, what is about that? If we define these two things, that means postulate is the universal truth. Postulate is the universal truth. Now these two terms, after these two terms, the terms is called theorem. Means it is a statement. But when we do the statement which are proved, which are proved, that is the definition, which are proved. Now how we prove? Using definition number 1, number 2 using axioms, number 3 it is previously, number 3 previously proved statement, number 4 deductive reasoning. Now theorem, it is a statement which are proved by using these 4 things. This is axiom and postulates are there. Axiom is postulate both for the universal truth. Now, if we go for that summary of these things, before the starting the chapter, we have to know that what are the Euclid's postulates as per our syllabus. As per our syllabus. Now consider the points, that is means universal obvious truth for geometry. Obvious truth for geometry. The first one is said that a straight line it is a straight line may be drawn. A straight line may be drawn from any point any one point. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Now, what is the meaning is that the straight line may be drawn from any one point. Let's say this one. This is any one point to the any other point. Let's say this is a straight line. Now for drawing a straight line, we need at least 2 points. That means for draw a straight line, we need at least 2 points. Now this is about the straight line. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. The second one, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. That's mean a terminated line. Terminated line means जो lines end हो गया can be produced indefinitely. Terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Third one, they have said about the circle. A circle can be drawn with any center. That means they need a center and any radius. That's when this is a circle, this is the radius. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Then number 4. one right angle or all right angle. All right angles are equal to one other. That's mean if this is a right angle and if this is a right angle, they are equal to one another. So basically, for this chapter, we need these postulates for different purpose. For different purpose. Clear? Now there are some axioms are there. Now these are the postulates. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are consider about the axioms. This is an obvious truth for other part of math. Here. So there are 7 axioms is there in our syllabus. Basically what they said, things which are equal things which are equal to same thing, things which are equal to same thing are equal to one other. That's when if these are these, the things which are equal to something are equal to other. So that's mean if the two things are equal, then this is equal to this. We know that. Number 2, if equal is are number 2, if equals to are added to equal, the wholes are That means there is a 2. There is also 2. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are also equal. Number 3. If equals are subtracted, if equals are subtracted from equals, the remainder are equals. The remainders are equal. Number 4. Things which coincided with one another are equal to 1. The whole is greater than part. Then things which are double of the same thing are equal to one another. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last one, things which are half of the same thing are equal to other. This is the 7 axioms. So basically for this class You just understand these are the 7 and there is a 5. 5 postulates, 4 postulates and 7 axioms. And after that, in the next class, we are considering there is a one chapter, only one chapter for the new syllabus. This is exercise 5.1. So we do the exercise 5.1. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you for this class. You just go through that, and every time, sometime in the school or in exams, they have given the short question, what are the Euclid's axiom and what is the postulates. They have given that, so that you have to, regarding that, you have to study that, and we applying all these 7 and 4 in the next class when we do the exercise. Thank you very much.